Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Teacher Yaya. For today, Teacher Yaya will teach you how to cook rice in the rice cooker. But before that, I want to ask you, what day is today? Good. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so let's start our class. First step, you have to put the rice into the rice cooker. You can measure the rice using small beaker or big spoon. Then pour the water into the rice cooker. You have to clean the rice until the water looks clear and clean. Pour the water into the sink and repeat the same step. Before you cook, measure the water using your finger. Make sure your rice cooker is dry before you put into the holder. Don't forget to press the button and place the cover. That's all for today. Teacher hope you can apply our lesson today at home. See you in the next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum.